Do you play bingo? Okay, now, we have here pictures, right? These are pictures. And then, you are going to put the pictures to me, na alay kaday. Okay? And then, if you finish to put the picture, teacher you put word. Example, teacher you say, look for the word Monday. If you look for Monday, pick the Monday and then put to me. Okay? And then, if you finish the game, it's the winner. Kaday? Okay. Now, first, let's count 1, 2, 1, 2 na. Okay, you go first. 1. 1. Count. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1. Okay. Who's 1? 1. Okay, 1 here. 1 here. Okay, 2 here. 2. Oh. Okay. Okay, now, put the pictures. Put the pictures to me. Alay kaday. You two. Group 1. Lumi. Put the pictures. Group 2. Put the pictures. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. You put the pictures. Put them in. Alay kaday. Repeat. Go. Okay, put Monday. Or where's Monday? Ano? Monday. Oh. Putong ni. Hajay? Okay, yapo. Okay, let's have. Okay, let's have Narabudin and Kauho. Kauho muni. Ay, Narabudin. Okay, ready? Okay. Look for the picture of yapo. Mother. Mother. What is mother? Mother pewalay. Me. Okay, where's mother? Mother. Okay. Oh, you put there. Oh, you put mine. Okay, flip now, flip. Turn it. Okay, like that. Okay. Next. Okay, next. Let's have Kylie. Kylie and him. Okay. Ready? Look for the word Tuesday. Tuesday. What is Tuesday? Tuesday. Oh, is it Tuesday? Herm, is it Tuesday? Is that Tuesday? Can I see? Can I see? Is it Tuesday? Yes or no? No. Oh, what's the word Tuesday? You have Tuesday. Okay. Oh, you put the Sunday here again. Okay. Oh, put the Herm. Okay, next one. Let's have Kayut and you. Okay. Okay, ready? Look for the word. Look for the photo of a school bag. School bag by walay. Ha? Kapaw. School bag. School bag. Where's the school bag? Okay. Next. Next. Okay, next. Sine. And Monat. Okay, Sine and Monat. Okay. Look for the photo of head. Head, pewalay. Head. 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 Me? My me. Okay, my panlay, my me. Okay. Next.